Evaluate the base b logarithm without using a calculator. So we have lots of properties of logarithms that we can work with, and also properties of exponentials, which can come into play as well. Let's see what we can do with this. See if we can come up with a result without using a calculator at all. First off, the one thing that I notice about 1/4 is it would of course be able to be written as 4 to the negative 1 power just using rules of exponents. But not only that, 4 is the same thing as 2 squared. So I could change 4 into 2 squared, then 2 squared to the negative 1 is actually the same thing as 2 to the negative second. Alright, so I could write this as log base 2 of 2 to the negative second plus 2. Okay, now I have an exponent on the argument of my logarithm. Properties of logarithms say you can pull that out front as a constant multiplier. Okay. Another property of logarithms says that a log base b of b is equal to 1. If you change that into exponential form, it makes a little bit more sense as to why. So if you have a base b raised to the first power, that means it's just itself. So this is the logarithmic equivalent of that. So what that means is this right here is just 1. So I have negative 2 times 1, which is just itself, plus 2, which results in 0. And I didn't need a calculator to figure that out.